Master Li's small hut was perched on the edge of a serene lake, surrounded by lush greenery and towering peaks. The villagers believed that the tranquility of the surroundings contributed to the serenity that radiated from the wise master. He would spend his days meditating, tending to his small garden, and sharing his teachings with those who sought his counsel. One day, as Liu entered Master Li's dwelling, he found the Zen Master seated peacefully on a cushion, his eyes closed in meditation. Liu approached quietly and waited for Master Li to acknowledge his presence. After a few moments, Master Li opened his eyes and smiled warmly at Liu. "Welcome, young one," Master Li said softly. "I sense that you carry a burden within you. Please, share your troubles with me." Liu bowed respectfully and began recounting his experiences of being insulted and mocked by his peers. He expressed his pain and frustration, admitting that he often felt a deep sense of anger and helplessness in such situations. Master Li listened attentively, his compassionate gaze never wavering. When Liu finished speaking, Master Li spoke in a gentle tone. "In life, we encounter people who may try to bring us down or belittle us. Their words and actions are like arrows, seeking to pierce our hearts and disturb our peace. However, remember that it is within your power to choose how to respond." Liu looked up, his eyes filled with curiosity. "But how can I respond with grace and dignity when I feel hurt and angry inside?" he asked earnestly. Master Li nodded understandingly. "It is a natural reaction to feel hurt, but remember that your emotions do not define you. The insults and mockery come from a place of ignorance and unhappiness within those who inflict them. By responding with grace, you rise above their negativity and maintain your own inner harmony." He continued, "When someone insults you, take a moment to breathe deeply and ground yourself. Recognize that their words are not a reflection of your worth, but a reflection of their own inner turmoil. Responding with anger only perpetuates the cycle of negativity. Instead, choose compassion and understanding. Offer them kindness and empathy, for often it is the ones who hurt others that are in need of healing themselves." Liu listened intently, his heart gradually embracing the wisdom of Master Li's words. He realized that the insults he received were not a reflection of his own shortcomings, but rather a reflection of the struggles the other person was facing. "Dear Liu," Master Li began, "the way we handle insults is a reflection of our inner strength and wisdom. It is an opportunity for growth and self-improvement." The Zen Master further elaborated. "Picture a magnificent tree standing proudly amidst a vast forest. It possesses unwavering strength and resilience, with its branches stretching towards the heavens. Now, consider a situation where a person passing by hurls stones at this tree. How does the tree react? Does it retaliate against the person? The answer is no. The tree, firmly grounded in its profound wisdom, maintains its serenity and stability, gracefully absorbing the stones without allowing its composure to falter." Liu contemplated Master Li's words, feeling motivated by the analogy. He posed a question. "Master Li, how can I attain the same state of tranquility as the tree? How can I maintain my composure when confronted with insults?" Master Li, with a serene smile, responded, "To cultivate the calmness of the tree, one must embark on a journey of self-awareness and inner strength. Begin by recognizing that insults or negative words are like stones thrown at you. Just as the tree doesn't take them personally, understand that these words reflect the state of the one who speaks them, not your own worth. Next, nurture your inner resilience through practices such as meditation, deep breathing, and mindfulness. These techniques will help you develop a solid foundation of inner peace, allowing insults to pass through you without causing disturbance. Additionally, cultivate compassion and understanding. Recognize that those who hurl insults are often suffering themselves, and their words may arise from their own pain and ignorance. Responding with kindness and empathy can help break the cycle of negativity. Lastly, remember that your true strength lies in your ability to choose your response. By maintaining a calm and composed demeanor, you hold the power to transform the energy of insults into an opportunity for growth and self-improvement. In time, with patience and practice, you will become like the tree, unshaken by insults, rooted in wisdom and radiating peace. The journey towards embodying the resilience of the tree begins within you." Master Li smiled knowingly and shared a story from his own past. "Once, I too struggled with insults," he said, "but I learned a valuable lesson from an encounter with a wise old woman. Master Li recounted the tale of how he had been insulted by a woman who did not agree with his teachings. Despite the harsh words, Master Li remained calm and composed. Later, he approached the woman and thanked her for her insights, expressing gratitude for the opportunity to reflect upon his own beliefs. In awe, Liu asked, "Master Li, how were you able to respond in such a manner?" Master Li replied, "Through years of practice and self-reflection, I've come to realize that insults only have power over us if we allow them to. By remaining centered and detached from the words of others, we can maintain our inner peace." He continued, "Remember, Liu, insults are often a reflection of the insecurities and shortcomings of the person who delivers them. They are not a reflection of your worth or character. Treat them as an opportunity to cultivate compassion and understanding." Liu listened intently, absorbing Master Li's wisdom. He felt a newfound sense of determination and inner strength. He thanked Master Li for his guidance and promised to practice the lessons he had learned. As time went on, Liu faced more insults and mockery from his peers. However, he no longer allowed them to affect him deeply. Instead, he responded with kindness and understanding, just as Master Li had taught him. As time went on, Liu faced more insults and mockery from his peers. However, he no longer allowed them to affect him deeply. Instead, he responded with kindness and understanding, just as Master Li had taught him. The profound lesson imparted by Master Li resonated deeply with the village community, igniting a transformative wave of compassion and understanding. Consciousness. As word spread about the teachings on handling insults, the village began to undergo a remarkable shift in its collective. People started to recognize that insults held no real power unless they allowed them to affect their inner peace. Inspired by Master Li's wisdom, individuals began to cultivate their own strength of character, measured not by the ability to retaliate, but by the capacity to remain centered in the face of adversity. To insults, villagers now sought to understand the underlying causes and offer support and guidance when needed. Conversations within the village began to shift from confrontational exchanges to respectful dialogue, fostering an environment where understanding and empathy prevailed. Instead of reacting impulsively, the ripple effect of Master Li's teachings extended beyond the village boundaries, as individuals who had witnessed the transformation carried the lessons to neighboring communities. The wisdom of the powerful Zen Master spread like wildfire, permeating the hearts and minds of people far and wide. In time, the impact of this compassionate approach rippled through society, influencing how insults were perceived and dealt with on a broader scale. The collective consciousness shifted, embracing a culture where insults lost their power to incite anger and pain. The village became a beacon of light, known not only for its scenic beauty, but also for its enlightened way of handling conflicts. Visitors from distant places marveled at the serene and harmonious atmosphere that pervaded the village, inspired by the inner strength displayed by its inhabitants. Master Li's profound lesson had left an indelible mark, reminding all who encountered it that true strength lies in maintaining composure, responding with compassion, and transcending the negativity of insults. In the legacy of Master Li, the village stood as a testament to the transformative power of wisdom and the potential for positive change in the face of adversity.